Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone, myself Akshay Borowke from Zeal Polytechnic, Diploma in Civil Engineering, second year. Today I am going to tell about mini project which is made up of my group mates Vishnu Birazdar, Sutar Sachidanand, Yadav Somnath and Gedam Rutuja. My project title is Prepare a Model on Arch Bridge, which is the under guidance of Mr. Bhaguji Ranveer sir. Let's go through the topic. Arch Bridge. Arch Bridge is the one of the most old and famous type of the bridges. One of the best type of the bridges. They earlier known as arch bridges were built in the Greeks in 13th century. This concept is developed by the Greeks in 13th century. There are basic components, lots of basic components on there. It's the abutment, piers, foundations, parapets, deck. Let's go through the one by one, which is the most important to design the arch bridge. Arch bridge. Arch, in this name, arch shape, the curve shape of the arch at the each end of the abutment, which is situated on the bridge. This is called as the arch bridge. Its main function is the transferring weight through the horizontally bridge loads partially divided in two abutments at either side, each side on their sides, to restrain the thrust, to retain the earth pressure on embankment of the approaches. Arch bridge materials, which are materials is used, design efforts, span range, carriers. What are the main function is that which parts, which material which you are used, this is the most important. First of all, arch bridge what is the carriers, pedestrian or vehicles, moving the vehicles, or light railways, water. This is the types they're affected to change in the materials. Materials which we are using currently: concrete, timber, cast iron and structural steel. Materials are lots of the reactions on there, lots of the compression and tensions was there. The concrete, whenever you use the concretes, there takes more compressions, and it would takes timber or wood, it's takes more tension and as well as the compression also. It will takes steel takes more tensions. The design efforts depends on all such components. The span range is more, the design efforts is most. Carriers type is depends on also there. Span range, different types of the span range are available on their sides. Let's go by basic components of arch bridges. It's the abutment, piers, foundations, wing wall, parapet wall, arch, and one of the most is the deck. Go through the one by one. Abutment. Instead pushing straight down, the weight of the arch bridge carried outward along the curved arch. The end support of the bridge superstructure are known as the abutment. The end support of the bridge of superstructure are known as the abutment. Abutment is the to transmit load from bridge to superstructure to the subsoil layer, to the underneath. This is called supports curved of the arch. The end, at each end, this supports is called abutment. Piers. Piers is the intermediate support of superstructure and arch bridge, which is above the foundations. Piers are the different types: solid piers or open piers. Those are the different types: solid masonry types or solid RCC types. Lots of the types. They're the open piers. Open piers under the designs of the column bends, pile bends, cylindrical, thrustal piers. These are the different one. Wing wall. Wing wall is the situated at endmost part of the bridge, both ends, to retaining the soil formations, retaining earth falling, approaches abutment of theirs. In this diagram, we are showing the wing walls. Foundation. Bottom part of the abutment and piers is called as the foundation, which is the lowest part, and this one is the most important part. Every types of the bridges, they are directly contact with soil to the transmit all loads on soil. Parapet wall. Whenever we design a deck, one either sides of the deck is the continuous side wall or spandrel or structural steel wall, one of the there, because of there is the it's the use of, there is no person is falling off, or no vehicle fall off on the bridges. This one is the parapet wall. Arch is the main member of superstructure. Totally depends on this type is the arch. Let's go the arch. Types of arch bridges. Arch bridges by the connections and by orientation. Types depends on the two functionals: by the connections, by the orientation. One by one. By connection, 3 hinges arch. There are the 3 hinges arch. Second one is the 2 hinges arch. Third one is the fixed arch. There are fixed, not movable. Third one is the tie cord branch. Fourth one is the tied arch. By its orientation types: through arch, half through arch, or spandrel, which is the depends on site location, span requiring. Let's go through the next. Design of the arch bridges. Lots of aspects was there to design arch. The most thing is what is the necessity of the bridge, or why would you go to the arch bridges? Is the necessity, which is the functionals, what we are required. Let's go through to know the vertical, horizontal alignment of the root. Once we have designed the root, which is the vertical, horizontal, or any angle which we are using to lowering the cost. There, second one is the most part. Estimate the span. What span you required, what length you required to develop arch bridge. The depends on the arch bridge. The height is also main important part to differentiate the spans. The spans divided the height as well as the length, horizontal alignment length is much dependent. arch shape, semicircular shape, or which are the different shapes you required. There are the what is your the arch made up of? Is there is the concrete, is there is the steel, or is there is the wood? Concrete takes more tension, steel concrete takes more compressions, steel takes more tension, and wood takes both evenly compression as well as tension. What are the hangers bars made up of? They are the steel girder. They are the lots of the things. Choose deck system. This is the one most basic component, basic part of the system, deck system. In general, steel cross girders and concrete slabs is the most commonly used this deck system. This is the type to maintenance is easy to the concrete slab, but costing is more, or necessity is more. Choose foundation systems. This is the main part. Foundation system is the main part on this arch bridge. Gravity wall, battered piles, piers which were used in the structures. Derive the operational loads. There are the reactions, design manuals, design logbook, also highway, bridges, and there the calculate internal forces, reactions on there, site location, site selection is also important. Costing is also most important part. Let's go. Deck design. Deck design, there are two types: deck designing for steel cross girder or reinforced concrete slab. There are the reactions in between that. Bending also is possible, sharing is also possible. Connections, by connections, it's the different rivets which we are used, bolts, nut bolts. There are reinforced concrete slab design, bending, and slab shears. Foundation design for foundation designing is the for thrust. We are designing consideration is the thrust. Then weight of the structure. Then third one is the scoring. Is whenever is the required resistance, corrosion resistance is most more important. Whenever you take steel, the corrosion test is the most important to check all the steel materials. Connections. Design connections is the most important part. Design connections between arch and hangers and deck, and arch and deck. Other components in arch bridges, parapets, pavement. Main aspect is that architectural details is the most important parts. Methods of constructions, maintenance. In that the maintenance was painting. There is one loopholes also. Whatever maintenance is required after something years which we are designing on arch bridges. One of the best example right now, one of the case study we have taken, world highest railway arch bridge over the Chenab River. This bridge design is arch type. This bridge is material used most of the steel and the concrete. The total length of the bridge is the 1315 meter. Height of the bridge is the 359 meter riverbed to the formations, which is the as compared to 35 meter above the 35 meter above the London based Eiffel Tower's height. The longest span of the arch is the 467 meter. The actual length of the arch span is the 485 meter. Number of spans to design this bridge is the 17. Carriers is this bridge is carriers who takes responsibility to moving its carriers the Indian Railway to go through this. Crosses the rivers which are situated in Kauri and Bakkal in Razai district at Jammu Kashmir state in India. This is the actual view in arch bridge, railway arch bridge. This one is the Eiffel Tower. The 325 meters is the height of the Eiffel Tower. 35 meters higher than Eiffel Tower. This bridge is situated. This one is the current status of the bridge. Arch is completed. This bridge whenever is completed in 2022. Right now is the work in progress. Let's move on to this one is the model we are design as well as making the bridge. This is the taking the abutment. This one is the arch. This one is the foundations. This one is the parapet wall. This one is the roadway. This one is the parapet wall. This is the abutment and foundation. This is the waterway to go through this. This is the end of our topic. Thank you.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.